Hi, I'm Todd Goldfarb, founder of Worldwide Tipping Point. This is an incredible time to be living. As we experience some dramatic breakdowns happening throughout our society, there are also incredible breakthroughs happening all over the planet. Even though big media does not express it this way, a new world filled with hope, inspiration, and possibility is emerging. And it's happening via millions and millions of people from all over the globe waking up and taking action. People just like you and me. At its core, this movement is about peace, sustainability, social justice, and love becoming the pillars by which we live on planet Earth. By signing your name to the counter, you add your personal energy to this global grassroots movement. Periodically, we will email you some of the most powerful expressions of this great shift happening, and also ways you can get involved. The ultimate mission is to reach and mobilize a critical mass of individuals who shift the very way in which we live in the world, to literally create a worldwide tipping point. We can do this, and this is our time. So take action and add your energy to the counter and movement today. Thank you.